Hey, this is CJ the Traveler, man. We're getting ready to go into the Museum and Nature Center. As you see, it's open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Free admissions on Monday. This is CJ the Traveler, man. We're getting ready to go into the museum. Y'all sit back and enjoy this little tour. We're even going to take a little tour around the park, so y'all just sit back and watch the show. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler, man. We're at John James Audubon State Park and Museum and Nature Center located here in Henderson, Kentucky. I will give you a little bit of information about John James. John James was a naturalist, a painter, and an ornithologist. There is 650 acres to view while you are here in the local area. The museum is designed in the French heritage, so if you guys can see this, check it out. Hey, this is CJ back again telling you John James Audubon State Park is housed in the same building as the museum. There is a nature preserve as well on the outside and inside. The museum interprets the lives and work of John James and his family. He resided in Henderson, Kentucky in 1810 to 1819. And yes, we're getting ready to go inside. I want to show y'all a little bit of what we got going inside. So just sit back and enjoy the show. As you see, we're walking in to the John James Audubon Museum. Check out the deer coming around the corner. A sample of what you'll see while you're here. Hey, this is just a sample. As you can see, the deer that are right there up here in John James Audubon State Park. Just giving you a little sample of what you may see on this tour with CJ the Traveling Man. Look at them. They're looking at me. This is CJ the Traveling Man signing out. But watch the deer. They're gone. And the fishing. see the butterflies and dragonflies. And here's a little walking trail, so if you have the kids, you can bring them with you. And we can go and have fun on a slide or whatever you want. And you can walk the trails. So this is a little sample of everything going on at John James Audubon. So bring the kids, bring the family, bring everybody. You can even have a picnic out here. So if you guys like to barbecue or hang out, giving you a little sample of this. And if you like to play tennis, there's the tennis court, and there's the barbecue grill.